guys, so we're going to be transforming my little salon space today. I'm gonna show you guys what in here looks like. It's very chuck up right now. Yeah, in here it's chuck up. You guys see the wall need help. Yeah, everything. So I just have to move out everything and then we're gonna start painting. All right guys, so in here is finally empty. He started adding the paint on, so you guys don't know it's gonna be a light color, so I'm gonna jump in and help him right now. And yeah, we're gonna be transforming this place. Okay guys, so we're making a little bit of progress. In here already looks different already. Like guys, the power of paint, man, I tell you no. In here is gonna look so pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far. We didn't touch the ceilings or anything yet, but let me try and get inside here. The ground is messy, guys. That's so when you paint you have to put stuff down, but yeah. It's much more lighter in here. So we're just gonna do the ceiling and do it obviously white. And then after that is decoration. Okay guys, so everywhere is painted now. Yup, so empty, it's so echoey. So now I just have to sweep up the ground. Obviously there's some paint spots there, so just have to wipe them off. Put back everything in. Don't mind my head top, but yeah guys, I'm not gonna really put up anything. I'm just putting everything back in here. I just have to get like a few like shelves and stuff like that to really make inside here look nice. I'm thinking of a picture. I don't know what kind of picture to put up. I bought a frame, so I'm trying to think if I should put like a art or like a quote or something. It's a big frame, so most likely an art or a person, Madam CJ Walker. I don't know, I'm just thinking, but I'm gonna tidy up in here now and put back the stuff in here. Look how out here looks. My kitchen is a disaster because of all my stuff. All right guys, so I have to add some stuff. I have to add a shelf here. I'm trying to get rid of all of these like roaches. I need to make it look more nicer. Let me turn off my music yet. Yeah, I obviously need to, you know, fix up, add stuff to the wall, make in here look a little bit, you know. But this is gonna be my picture wall as always. I'm just gonna use this one section. Yeah guys, I love my little shelf right here. So I'm gonna get like some sweeties, put them in a little jar and put them here, so if my clients want any candy, they can definitely take one. And yeah, so it's coming along guys. Some shelves, so I wanted to take away some of the clutter here. Imagine all of these things being all over here. So I got a shelf and I just put it here, and I said I'm gonna put like my sprays and my oils. I just have this melt gel here just to put it there. I also have a shelf here with like my shampoos, which I really love. Right now I need something for my treatments and stuff. Like, I don't like how the corner looks, but it will just have to work for now. The wall over there is empty. Don't mind that hole. I have to cover it. There's always a paper covering it. And this wall is empty. These shelves were up here before with like some chains I was selling and some edge control. So I don't know, but I love my girls. I just put one of my old wigs up there just to see like what it would kind of look like, and you know, they look cute up there. And then let me show you guys If I turn on the light. Yeah. Just to give it a little oomph, but you can't really tell. But yeah, so I'm in here. I'm still trying to organize. I'm in my nightgown. Still trying to organize my place. Obviously in here is still like really messy. Organize it, and I soon show you guys the final outcome once everything is put in place.
Keep showing up. If no one invests in you, invest in yourself. If no one believes in you, believe in yourself. Even if you don't see the results right away, keep showing